I don't know what it is, but apparently 2021 is the year to make ridiculous purchases. I was gonna wait. I'm just too excited. I have to tell you guys what we got now. It's not a Honda, which is new for us considering the fact we own 4 Hondas. Ready? We got a Miata. We got it cheap, doesn't run. We actually did get it to crank last night. It needs a lot of work, but I am so excited to have another NA Miata. Like, I don't even know how to tell you guys. Javier's already been hard at work. The window regulators were bad. You can see they had something taped over it, some kind of tarp. But yeah, here she is. I'm pretty excited about this. We are changing the paneling in here. There's no way I'm leaving that in. This window actually does not go all the way up still. Wonder if I can pull it. Nope. That doesn't go all the way up. Ah! Also, it already has dachshund stuff on it, so that's staying. That's low. It's staying. But yeah, what do you guys think? Mistake or great purchase? We've already discussed we are probably going to be getting rid of these and getting some normal mirrors, but overall pretty great. There's some stuff we got to fix with the hardtop in here. The bumper we do have, it's just in the garage because of how they had to tow it. But yeah, so exciting. We now have 5 cars and a moped. We need a house. We really need a house. Like, I have the Prelude over there. CRV's parked all the way over there. This, we have the other Prelude. Javier's S2000 is usually in the garage, and then I'm usually parked here. But he's at work. I'm not. So, yeah, that's that. If you guys have any ideas what we should do with the Miata, feel free to let us know. Probably not going to be buying an engine, so no LS swaps, no rotary swap, recommendations, none of that. I did joke about selling the Prelude and just putting this in the Miata instead, but that's not happening. I'm keeping my Prelude. Don't worry, guys. The Prelude will be K-swapped. No worries there. All right. Well, I guess that's enough excitement for the moment. Stay tuned.
Does this one work? You put it in the...
Yeah, that will trigger it. It shouldn't spill until it... Shouldn't.
Should.
See? Boom. Gasoline.
Gas. Drink up.
Cheers. Cheers. Figure we should cheers after the Miata drink up her fuel. We got our fuel, she got her fuel. We're gonna see if she can start. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood or something. Meow, 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 meow. Battery hooked up?
Oh, shoot. Let me take these.
No, trunky, Lisi. Yeah, so we're thinking to do a faux leather because the seats, as gross as they are right now, don't pay attention. We're actually going to be deep cleaning today, are leather. So we were talking about like maybe a white leather or a red leather, but with this steering wheel, it doesn't really make sense.
I mean, we can change that.
Yeah, if we can get a new steering wheel. I mean, that's how maybe we could tie in the red. I feel like red, black, and white are pretty classy. But if not, a white wheel. You get a white wheel, white leather. I think that would be pretty classy, but I also said we could just get everything to blend and get a faux black leather. Just tie it in with everything as it is, because it's already kind of like that. Ew. Yeah. Start it. Yeah? Let there be light! And there was light. While we check for spark, I'm just gonna turn you guys off. I'll let you know if we find anything. So we're having an issue with the battery terminals, not connecting to the battery properly, and every time you try to crank it, it dies. Javier has his old terminals, so I'm probably just gonna go put these on real quick and see if we can get a better connection and move from there. Yay. We gotta go to advance. The battery terminals that we have don't work, so.
You want to see how much a testing light is?
For.
To test like fuses?
I have a voltmeter.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it's with the
Okay, we'll worry about that when you get back.
OBD. I mean, I can. So, yeah. Gotta run to the parts store. Here we come, advanced. As like always, 20 times a day. They love me. I always ask for random things. The Prelude build. My friend Justin was working there and he quit. And I don't think it wasn't because of me. It was because of his coworkers. But he used to like dread when I came in because they didn't ever have any parts for it, so I would just get to walk around the back and match what I needed for like hoses and stuff. So, yep, let's go. Poor guys in advance, I'm standing in there, they had a power outage and all the servers crashed, so they had to reboot all of the computers in order to check us out. But I got, I think, what we need. So let's go. Come back and everyone's up in the air.
Yeah. What was I gonna do? Sit and wait?
Yeah, I'm just kidding. In case you want to know what your power cable should not look like, it's this. This is not safe nor conducive. Like, look at all of those broken wires. I don't even know how I'm gonna fix this. I have been a very bad vlogger today. I haven't really vlogged anything that we've done, but we haven't really done anything. We got the lower ball joints done and the upper ball joints done. I did technically get the connectors on and then Javi fixed them. For the battery, it looks much better, but
It's like a 50%.
yeah, we got like halfway done. They checked under the valve cover. There's a little tiny tear in the back of the belt. I don't know if we're gonna have to redo the timing on it or not, but
I'm about ready for the race, man.
but
Wanna race?